Girls, it's Aaron here with Short Defense Systems with our RPD belt loader. I was wanting to show this to you guys now that we've got the production models done. As soon as we get our back orders wrapped up from April, we'll actually have these up and ready to ship for sale. This is the first batch done. We're getting ready to start on another batch. So anyway, I'm going to run you through it real quick, and then we'll load a belt to show you guys. So first up, you've got the hopper where all the rounds go, the drive, and then comes out the back. The loaded belt comes out the back. Empty belt goes in through the bottom. So, the hopper pivots out of the way, so you can load belts, put whatever in there, get things lined up and adjusted. If something does get jammed up or stuck, you can actually pivot the whole thing out of the way when it's unlocked. The lock is actually this latch here, held in place with a 3/8 dowel pin. So the pin goes through the holes on each side. A little bit stiff, so sometimes you just got to tap it with a pliers or a screwdriver or something. So, anyway, that's the basics of it. The belt we're loading here is actually just a standard. You can see this is the tabbed type belt, not the push-through belt. Let me get this thing to focus. The loader can do the first round in a belt, but it makes it a lot easier. Well, makes it a lot easier to line everything up in the loader when you have the first belt, the first round of the belt anyway, already stuck in there. So we're going to stick one in there to make this easier. Alright, so it has come to my attention that this thing does not like being done one-handed. So I'm now going to pause this and tape my phone to my Dylan 550 here and see if I can get a video. So be right back. Okay, phone taped to reloader. Check. We'll just go ahead and go through with this then. Hope I don't have to do another take. So we'll pull the hopper up, get the belt started and in place, hopper back down, and the rounds just go up here in the top. This thing is sized to hold about a box full, about 20, so that makes it sort of convenient. So we're not going to fill up the whole belt with these. We'll just throw enough of these in here to give it a go. So keeping a little bit of tension on the end of the belt. Getting the round started. Sometimes you have to rock back and forth just a little bit. The last one always likes to bounce around. So, loaded belt. And I don't know if you can see it from there, but all the rounds are behind the tabs. None of them are set on top. And that's the basics of how this loader works. So we're going to be having these coming out soon. As soon as we get, I think we got 5 or 6 folks. I got a couple that are out right now for P&E. People to give them a try and see what they think and give me feedback. And then I think we got 5 or so people who were signed up back in April when we first did these. I did have one person get in touch with me and ask about loaders, saying that they use brass case ammo, and the previous videos were all with steel case. So I wasn't able to find any domestic made brass case ammo. I did find Yugoslav M67, which it's surplus but brass case. So I'm going to throw 15 of these in here. The concern being, does it dent the cases, does it mark them up, all that, so that they're unusable. So I'm going to throw these in here real quick. We'll load 15 of these up and give it a go. It works out really well because the drives here don't have points that are pushing the rounds into the belt. It's actually the pockets on it that's doing the pushing, and so that makes it a fair bit easier on the brass anyway. So 15 rounds in there. So, and I tried to start it on top of another one, I think. Yeah. That's what I get for backing up. Alright, simple fix. Unlock the whole thing and move it out of the way. There we go. Well, there goes the whole thing. Don't put it on the edge of a table. The belt tries to run away from you. And now the pin won't go back in. Glorious. Okay. Rounds in the hopper are good. Let's back the belt up. Oh, that's why. There's a round stuck in there. Okay. Won't need a blooper reel because the whole video will be one. Okay. There. Lined up. Pin in place. Too far in place. Alright. Brass case. And there you go. 15 rounds of brass case. So anyway, that's our RPD belt loader from Short Defense Systems. John Moses Browning, I ain't, but I think it works and I think it'll do well. So anyway, if you have any interest, you can put a comment here or shoot us an email at shortdefensesystems with an S on the end @gmail.com. Thanks, and have a great day.